Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This reading is about the person on your mind, their current feelings and their intentions and future outcome and suggestion. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see their feelings first. The person on your mind. Messages for Sagittarius. Person on your mind. And we will see your energy also. First we will see your person energy and their feelings. This side your energy. And let's see mutual. Wow. 6 of Cups. Under the deck, 8 of Swords. Right now you both are feeling stuck. Especially your person feeling stuck, Sagittarius. They are unable to make any move right now. They are feeling stuck. And 9 of Pentacles. Maybe right now they are working on their career and finances. So let's see their feelings. 4 of Swords, the Chariot and 5 of Swords. So right now they are not talking to you. They're doing some meditation to heal their self. Yeah, 5 of Swords energy. There are some arguments or disturbances between you and your person. They're in very slow moving energy. Yes, they're planning something. They're thinking about you a lot because the mutual card is 6 of Cups. You both are thinking about each other a lot. And definitely they're planning something. But again, they're in slow moving energy. So let's clarify 4 of Swords. Six of Swords, Chariot, Knight of Swords and the Lovers. 5 of Swords clarification card. Under the deck, Page of Pentacles with 5 of Cups. So they're planning to communicate with you. Right now they're feeling sad. Sagittarius. So 4 of Swords clarification card, 6 of Swords. So yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you because there are some issues going between you and your person. Maybe there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. 5 of Swords energy. They cheated on you, lied to you, backstabbed on you, Sagittarius. Yeah, they want to fix. And yes, very soon they will communicate with you because the Chariot clarification card, Knight of Swords. They will communicate. They're planning to communicate. Yes. And a lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So there is love between both of you because 5 of Swords clarification is Lovers. Yes, your person loves you. Maybe they are realizing you both now. But they are planning to communicate. Yes, they're feeling right now they're healing and they're thinking about you a lot. But very soon they will communicate with you. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. So let's clarify your cards. King of Wands, King of Cups and the Fool. Your cards, Sagittarius. So you are taking your control back. You still have strong emotions towards this person and the Fool card. But now you are living in the present moment, going with the flow. And you want new beginnings with this person. So let's clarify King of Wands and King of Cups and the Fool. Yeah. So King of Wands clarified by 5 of Pentacles. Maybe they treated you as an option in past. Cold shouldering. That's why you are taking your control back. You are focusing on yourself. And the King of Cups with 9 of Cups clarification card. Your wishes are going to be granted, Sagittarius. And the Fool with 3 of Pentacles. You want equal give and take. You want partnership in this reading. Sorry, in this connection. So in this connection, you want equal give and take. You want partnership. Maybe in past there is no partnership. There is no collaboration between you and your person. So let's clarify mutual. So mutual card is 6 of Cups. So you both have strong emotions towards each other. For some, you both are soulmates. Strong past life connection. So let's clarify. Six of Cups. Yeah, the Moon with reverse. I think the misunderstandings, the fightings will go away near future, because the Moon with reverse, definitely some issues will resolve in near future between you and your person. So let's see, will your person take action in future? So their intentions, let's see their intentions, Sagittarius. Yeah, they will communicate very soon. But after that, what will they do? See, Queen of Cups, Temperance and Devil, and Strength with Two of Swords and Three of Cups. For some third party situation involved in this connection. Third party situation involved in this connection. Maybe family or friends. But they do love you, because Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions towards you. Temperance. But they are taking their time to make a move towards you, because they are waiting for right time and they are obsessed with you. Lot of obsession, Sagittarius, the Devil card. For some, maybe this person toxic for you, and the person involved in this connection could be another Sagittarius, Capricorn or Leo. Now they're scared for rejection. Now maybe your person scared for something, that's why they're taking their time to make a move towards you. They will communicate very soon, Sagittarius, and they do love you, because they have strong emotions towards you, Queen of Cups energy, and Temperance and Devil. But there is a lot of obsession, your person is obsessed with you. So let's see the outcome, then suggestion. Knight of Cups. Yeah, they will make action very soon, because Knight of Cups with Queen of Wands, they're going to be make action, Sagittarius, and Knight of Cups. So yeah, this person have romantic feelings for you. This person is very romantic and they want to offer their cup of love to you. So let's see suggestion. What is the suggestion? Nine of Cups with Four of Wands. Wow, very beautiful. I think your wishes are going to be granted. And Four of Cups, Four of Wands, sorry. So if you are in separation, there is a chance for reconciliation, because Four of Wands. For some, maybe you both are in twin flame journey, or you both could be soulmates. But your wishes are going to be granted, Sagittarius. And Four of Wands. Reunion, celebration. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. I'm just not ready yet. Family issues. I feel so alone. I want to express my love. I will never forget you, and retreat. So the messages are, I am not just ready yet. Family issues. I feel so alone. I will never forget you. I want to express my love, and retreat. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. Yeah, for some third party involved. Here third party means family, friends. But they are thinking about you a lot. They feel so alone and they will never forget you. Maybe they're taking their time. I already told you. That's why I'm just not ready yet. But they want to express their love. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Sagittarius. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. And another, communication is key. See, definitely communication, you will receive communication very soon. New moon in Gemini, Gemini energy, and meditate and contemplate. So if you are going any issues right now, especially past hurts, or you are going some mental problems, so do meditation to heal yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.